David, tell us about your day.
It's been absolutely spectacular. No rain, no snow, cold but great. The roads are outrageous. Yeah.
Did you go missing for a while?
We got a couple of pages stuck together. Well, the navigator did, yeah.
Ian, you mean? Yes.
Well, it is his first time.
Right, Thompson and Thompson, you are here with your beautiful car. How's the day been?
It's been an absolutely magnificent day, thank you very much. Yeah, great from the beginning to the end.
Challenges?
Yeah, well, it seemed easier than expected at the beginning, but soon in for a bit of a shock. When we got towards, I think, the final regularity, that really sorted us out as complete beginners.
How was your beautiful Lagonda doing?
It was doing very well, yes. Everything went perfect. We just have one problem, and that's the windscreen wipers. They broke, but the sun is shining, so no problem at all.
And at lunchtime, you were equal first with Paul Crosby and Ali Procter. So it's been a bit of a competition.
I think, these are the professionals. They're doing it every day of the week. It's sort of, there's my once a year outing with my mate Peter here. So we can't expect to keep up with those guys.
But Peter, you and David are both very competitive.
Well, we'd like to think we are, yeah, we are, but we're aging competitors.
Yeah, exactly.
Aging
Actually,
competitors.
we should get a handicap for age as well.
I think so, yeah.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
John, first of all, how are the Riley Brigade doing?
All right, I think, touch wood. Richard's the only one that's had a problem, Richard Snyder, where he went to a Ford and his trip computer stopped working. But apart from that, they're still smiling. We've had a good day, wrong slotted on the last regularity, which was a bit of a challenge, but we've got there, but some fantastic roads. I think the Ford was possibly a bit deep.
Right, Jim, Andrew, end of the first day flying Scotsman. You're here. How's the day been?
Cold and fun.
How's Andrew doing? This last minute late replacement.
Andrew's doing wonderful.
Andrew, what's your version of that?
No, it's all right. It's obviously it takes a few miles to get used to each other.
I mean, it's unique to this event to have the Cadillac here, and it is a huge car. Have you had any issues with the size of it in the small lanes?
Not today. No problems. The wheels don't always fit on the asphalt. But that's what grass is for.
We have had a good day, actually. We just got a feeling that we did okay, but I have no idea where we are in terms of time.
Well, let's go back to lunchtime then, because it looked to me like you were equal first with Peter Lovett and David Richards, so close.
Yeah, it's a good start, but he's a professional navigator, so I'm not sure how the afternoon's gone, but we haven't made any big mistakes, so yeah, fingers crossed, early start tomorrow.
Well, let's ping this back to you, because David Richards, world champion navigator in '81, however, he says he only does one rally a year. And he says Ali Procter is the competitive navigator who does it all the time.
Yeah. It's not wrong.
That's why he comes and asks advice from Ali all the time.
Yeah, we just keep
But
lying
no,
to him.
I mean, they've done really well, the two of them. It's a good pairing, and they'll be strong.